Josh and Caleb.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today will not be a normal video, so no pickups, no video about the collection, no. Today we are going on an adventure. What adventure? Me and Caleb are going to Six Flags today to hang out with our friend PJ. Very excited about today, we've been planning it for a while. And it's finally happening. We are going to Six Flags today. Now, I've been to Six Flags almost every year of my life. Love the theme park. Even before I was born, my family was going to Six Flags. And me and my brother have been many years in a row for homeschool day, which is an awesome day where you can get on any ride with no wait time. But I don't think that's going to happen today because there's an event holiday in the parks, so we'll see. But let's go. Let's go to Six Flags. I'm ready. So I'll see you there. Hey guys, we're here at Six Flags today with a day with Caleb and PJ. We just rode Twisted Cyclone. What do you guys think?
Awesome.
Yeah, loved it. Alright, let's see what else we can do. You ready to ride?
Yes.
This is actually terrifying.
Hey, Tiny Two says stay out of the marsh.
I'm more scared of this than when I was on the library. Yeah, I'm weird. Yes. I was really
Howdy, y'all. Marshal Billy Bob Fritter here saying, as you travel and flow, keep your hands in the boat. Oh, and remember, don't burn the
They're all human. Don't be frightened, Hannah. They're all human.
Okay, I kind of
This way. Stay out of the marsh. Stay out of the marsh. Oh, no. Lucky for you guys, I found this here cannon.
Lucky for us.
Alright, that's going to do it from here at Six Flags. Did we have a good day?
Yes.
Yes, ended cold, but good day.
I will link Caleb's channel, and I will link PJ's Instagram, if you want me to.
Sure.
It's cold, we're going to go get something to eat. So, this is Josh, and if I don't see you, I'll see you at the movies. Bye. I could not end today's video without thanking my good friend PJ for hanging out with us, putting up with us filming for YouTube, but truly making this day special. It was a blast. We made so many memories, from experiencing Twisted Cyclone for the first time together, to me walking around the park with your purse because I didn't want you to pay for any more lockers. Riding the carousel was fun. Me tearing up in line for the Superman. It was the lights, PJ, it was. And then ending the night walking back through the park and seeing all the beautiful Christmas lights. But I am going to end the video before I actually get emotional and start crying. So if you guys like this video and you enjoy theme park vlogs, I will be filming when we go to Universal Studios in March. And I have a lot of ideas for Walt Disney World videos, so those are coming your way in March. And until then, I'm Josh, and I'll see you at the movies. Bye.